Length of generator output. Python provides a nice method for getting length of an eager iterable, len(x) that is. But I couldn't find anything similar for lazy iterables represented by generator comprehensions and functions. Of course, it is not hard to write something like. But I can't get rid of a feeling that I'm re-implementing a bicycle. While I was typing the function, a thought struck my mind: maybe there really is no such function, because it destroys its argument. Not an issue for my case, though. P.S. Concerning the first answers, yes, something like len list(x) would work too, but that drastically increases the usage of memory. PPS, rechecked. Disregard the PS, seems I made a mistake while trying that, it works fine. Sorry for the trouble.
There is a one because you can't do it in the general case. What if you have a lazy infinite generator? For example, this never terminates but will generate the Fibonacci numbers. You can get as many Fibonacci numbers as you want by calling next. If you really need to know the number of items there are, then you can't iterate through them linearly one time anyway, so just use a different data structure such as a regular list.
The easiest way is probably just sum 1 for underscore and gen, where gen is your generator.
For those who would like to know the summary of that discussion, the final top scores for counting a 50 million length generator expression using len list gen, len underscore for underscore in gen, sum 1 for underscore in gen, island gen from more underscore iter tools, reduce lambda c I column c plus 1, gen 0. Sorted by performance of execution, including memory consumption, will make you surprised. So, len list gen is the most frequent and less memory consumable.
Or better yet, if it's not iterable, it will throw a type error. Or, if you want to count something specific in the generator,